it's Jeanette J Beauty, and today I'm going to show you Zanai's wash day routine. And this is the tub that Zanai takes a bath in, and I also wash her hair. I also got the shampoo rinser that helps me to rinse all the shampoo out of her hair easily.
Hi. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Hi. You ready to go get your bath and your hair washed? Say yes, Mommy. Hi. You ready?
Now that Zanai is all ready for her bath and ready to wash her hair, I just wanted to mention that I know that she's sitting a little low. This is just to make her comfortable and just get used to the water, and then I will prep her upright. After making sure she's adjusted to the water, I am going to wet her hair with some warm water. There are two baby washes / shampoos that I like to use for Zanai. Both are by Shea Moisture. The first one is their Raw Shea Chamomile and Argan Oil Baby Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo. I like it because it contains beneficial ingredients that I also use on my body, like argan oil, frankincense, and myrrh extract. Organic shea butter, which is known to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin because it has so many vitamins and essential fatty acids. Chamomile, and I absolutely love chamomile because of its soothing and calming benefits. And argan oil, which is high in vitamin E and keeps the skin nice and soft, and it also helps to hydrate the hair. And my favorite, the Manuka Honey Provence Lavender, and this is so good. It smells like lavender, but it's not too overwhelming. It has Manuka Honey, which is a natural humectant, and it's going to help to hydrate the hair and skin. Lavender oil that has a relaxing scent and also helps to encourage a restful sleep, which you'll see later in the video how well it works, and ylang due to its aromatherapeutic properties. And I'm going to be using the Manuka Honey with the lavender in it, and I'm just going to take a quarter size and start rubbing it on her scalp and on the rest of her hair. Lavender oil comes from a natural source, and it's also going to help the hair follicles to grow thicker and a lot quicker. As I've already mentioned, honey is a natural humectant, which means it's going to attract moisture and keep her hair and scalp nice and hydrated. The body wash / shampoo has a mild lather, which I really like because I know it's not going to strip the natural moisture from her hair or from her skin. We want nice, beautiful, moisturized, healthy skin and hair. And because Zanai does have hair, I'm going to use this little baby comb, and I'm going to comb her hair nice and gently, make sure that I don't snag her hair, and it also gets rid of any flaky skin from her scalp. As long as you're gentle with this step, your baby should be fine. I just want to make sure that I get all the flaking skin off of her scalp. And also make sure that you are taking your time in doing this step. You want a nice clean scalp, and you also want to make sure that there's no tangles in your baby's hair. And here's the flaky skin that came out on the comb, which is great because I want her to have a nice clean scalp. And here's how her hair looks after I have thoroughly combed it with the shampoo in it. And now it's time to rinse all the shampoo out. I like to pour the water very slowly, that way I can have more control over the direction and the flow of the water to make sure it does not get in her face. After her nice relaxing bath, I put some almond oil on her skin, and I'm going to use the sister Taliyah's Jamaican black castor oil on her hair and scalp. I'm going to take a quarter size amount of the oil and just press it on top of her head.
N-G-O-B-I-N-G-O-B-I-N-G-O and bingo, what's his name? Oh. Yeah. N-G-O N-G-O-B-I-N-G-O.
And now I'm going to use this very, very soft bristle brush to rub the castor oil in onto her hair and scalp. And I'm also going to use it to give her a scalp massage. And you know that scalp massages are so beneficial for the hair and the scalp. And look, she done fell asleep. That lavender oil was very beneficial. I can't believe she's sleeping through this, but at least she's nice and peaceful. So I'm just going to continue brushing her hair and also just massaging the brush very softly on her scalp just to help stimulate her hair growth. I'm not putting a lot of products into her hair because I don't want to clog the pores on her scalp, because baby's hairs and scalp are very delicate, very gentle. You don't want to put a lot of products on. You'll cause a lot more problems than solutions. So she's very happy. Her hair is growing and I'm happy, you know, that I always wanted a girl. I'm just so happy that her hair is growing and flourishing like mine. And soon enough, when it gets long enough, we will definitely be doing mommy and me hairstyles. She is seriously knocked out, but I'm not complaining. As long as she's happy, I'm happy. She's peaceful, I'm peaceful. I can get a lot done when she's like this. She's just so sweet and so serene. And here's what her hair looks like after I have brushed it out. She doesn't have really thick hair, well, at least not yet. My oldest son, his hair was like this, and his hair is very thick, thicker than mine. I would say about a 4B, so you never really know. I just want her hair to be nice and healthy. And thank you for watching this tutorial with Zanai's first wash day video. And even if you're not a baby, you could still learn from some of these tips because they are applicable in the natural hair journey. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!